everyone. My name is Badari. I am going to tell you an interesting story with a beautiful moral. The title of my story is The Golden Fish. The Golden Fish, written by Alexander Postem. Once there was a fisherman who lived with his wife. They were living poorly in a small land for many years. Every day, the fisherman goes to fish for his living. One day, the fisherman sailed on a small boat to catch fish with beautiful tunes. Ailasa, 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 Ailasa. And he threw the net into the ocean and pulled out and saw there was only mud from the bottom of the ocean. Again, he threw the net into the ocean and pulled out and saw nothing was there. Again, for the third time, he caught a fish. Not a common fish, a golden fish. Golden fish. Suddenly, the golden fish started to talk. I am an enchanted flame. Leave me, please, please. For that, I can grant to any wish. The fisherman said, what? A talking fish. What is going to the talking fish? He put back again into the water. And when he came home, he told this to his wife was a golden fish, and she became angry. You fool! You should have asked a new out. The fisherman went back to the sea and called golden fish, golden fish, golden fish, and said, oh man of the sea, listen to me. I want with the bird, she has her own ways. Hearing this, the fish came from the water. The fish came from the water and said, I will grant you the way because you are so kind to me. Go, be happy. When he came home, he saw beautiful walkers can grow much fast. But the greedy boy was not happy. He ordered, I want to be a queen with a beautiful palace. The fisherman was unhappy, but still he went to call the golden fish and said, oh man of the sea, listen to me. Mama whispered, she has her own ways. Hearing this, the golden fish came out from the water and asked, well, what your wife wants now? She want to become a queen with a beautiful palace. The golden fish said, my wife shall be a queen. Go now. And when he came home, he saw a beautiful palace with group of children and hear the sound of drum and trumpet. Dum 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 dum. Ba-ba-da-ba, dum dum dum. Ba-ba-da-ba, dum dum dum. Ba-ba-da-ba. And his wife was sitting on a throne made of gold and diamonds with a golden crown on her head. A week passed away. The greedy one grew madder than ever. He called his husband, I want you to be the Lord of sun and moon. Go and ask the golden fish. The fisherman said, the golden fish will not make you the Lord of sun and moon. I can not go for this. But the greedy one said, I am the queen, you are my slave. Go at once. The fisherman was forced to go with heavy heart to call the golden fish and said, oh man of the sea, listen to me. My wife is the bird, she has her own ways. happy with what you